koska yhtiö Espoon täyskuu.
Yes, today is the 1st of July 2021. Here's Kuunsirppi 2. Only the other stage is actually building it. And we have also building 4 here. I'm gonna try to get there also. It's Swedish and Finnish here. Amazing. The capacity is 4 bursts of 320 grams. And the buttons have been changed, but otherwise still original. The buttons were changed probably sometime in the early 1990s.
Yeah.
And this was built in 1973, turning 50 years old in 2023. The serial number is H29749, and it only says Swedish and Finnish outside, but inside is only Finnish with memory. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2022. I love the sounds.
Same here.
And we are here in Olari, close to Matby here in Espoo, Helsinki, Espoo's region, modernized Finland. And let's go back to the ground floor. I also like these windows when they're like this.
Yes, same here. Niissä tippaa kiva isuttaa, että me ei tehnyt paikkaa.
But I don't think it was Kone that refurbished the interior.
Yeah.
Maybe Schindler. Or
Yeah.
But it was probably in the early mid 1990s.
Yeah.
I think about 1994 they did it.
Yeah.
If that one elevator was upgraded by Kone in 1994, maybe this was the same year.
Yeah.
And I like these blue doors.
Same here.
I believe this could be early 1973 also. Because it feels like it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the building 4. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's